Hello everyone, my name is Rizwan Ahmed. I am the International Admission Officer at Sangen Education Limited. Today I'm going to give you a fantastic information about studying in the UK, which international students want to study in the UK, especially for Bangladeshi students. First of all, I'm going to sharing the scholarship opportunity which is available maximum universities in the UK, inside London or outside London. If you want to apply as soon as possible, do not hesitate to contact me back. The second option is the placement. You know, the internship. They have a lots of the UK's biggest company. They will recruit the international student, and they can get the internship opportunity to the United Kingdom, and which is 1 year placement, which is called 1 year placement year. And after that, student will get 2 years PSW opportunity, which will start it in summer session 2021. So this is one of the biggest option for international student to studying in the UK. If you have any queries to get any information to studying in the UK, do not hesitate to contact me back. Thank you very much of all of the international students for the great attention with me.